Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link Trust Wallet to MetaMask. First, understand that you cannot directly link these wallets. Instead, you will import your Trust Wallet into MetaMask using its recovery phrase. This process allows you to manage your Trust Wallet assets within the MetaMask interface. Make sure you have your Trust Wallet's 12-word seed phrase or private key readily available and securely stored. Always back up your existing MetaMask wallet before proceeding with any import. To begin, open your Trust Wallet application and go to the Settings menu. From there, select Wallets and then tap on the specific wallet you intend to import into MetaMask. You will then see an option to show recovery phrase. After confirming your security, your 12-word recovery phrase will be displayed. It is crucial to write this phrase down accurately and in the correct order, as it is your key to accessing your funds. Now, open your MetaMask extension or application. Click on the circular account icon located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Import Account or Import Wallet. You will be prompted to choose how you want to import. Select Seed Phrase. Carefully enter the 12-word recovery phrase you obtained from your Trust Wallet, ensuring no typos. Finally, create a new, strong password for this imported wallet within MetaMask to secure your assets. After successfully importing, you should see your Trust Wallet assets now displayed within your MetaMask interface. This means you can now manage and interact with those funds directly using MetaMask. Remember, both wallets now essentially control the same underlying blockchain address. You haven't truly linked them, but rather imported the same access key. Always prioritize the security of your recovery phrases, never share them with anyone, and store them in a safe, offline location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.